Welcome to Glow LED. Hi, this is Krishna. Today I will show you the entire Glow LED factory units and corporate office, solar and decorative systems and SMT building and fabrication also. Put together we have 40,000 square feet of in the heart of the city. Please come with me. Yeah, this is corporate office. Presently we are here only. I will show you the area wise. Please come. And this is reception area. And this is the demo area. We have such a big demo area. And this is eco department area. And this is digital marketing area. And this is sales department. And this is director of factory outlet and HR room also. Here we have mentioned color temperatures starting from 1400 kelvins to 25,000 kelvins. Come with me, I'll show you the managing director room here. This is the cabin. And these are the restrooms. And we are also inside planting this one, horticulture line. Let's go to SMT building. SMT building, we have 4 floors in this. Come with me, I'll show you area wise. This is SMT mission, SMT area also. This is cricket based mission and another one is here also. This is the one old mission and this is the another one. And this is testing area. You can check how they are testing here. Rework area, hot plate. SMT building first floor area. And this is spot welding mission. He is making spot welding for battery. And this is R&D lab department. He is making PCB detailing here. And this is RPS mission. And he is making samples here. And this is aging area or testing area. And coming to here, this is LCR meter. And this is oscilloscope. And here we are R&D head group. This is driver testing area and rework area also. This is driver production area and this is brake shouldering mission also. They are making the drivers here. So let's go to the factory and assembly area. Present we are in closed factory area. These are the poles which we are manufacturing our fabrication. And this is factory area. I'll show you area wise. And this is support area. This is production and assembly area. Here they are making panel light. Here they are doing tube light. 20 watt tube base and this is 40 watt tube base they are making here. And here they are doing 2x2 back panel. Here they are doing surface mount cylinder light. And coming to here. And this is a shrink wrapping packing machine actually. Testing area called aging also. Here they are testing tube light and panel light. This is the laser printing machine. Yeah, this is our conveyor line production. They are making bulk here. This is our IP testing machine. Yeah, this is our store and we deliver all the material from here only. This is glow LED's decorative section. We do like this type of hexagonal, honeycomb, different type of lighting. This is fabrication area.